Contents. Part 1. Computation and Formation. 1. Serlio and Artificial Intelligence. Problematizing the Image-to-Object Workflow. Jean Jaminet, Gabriel Esquivel, and Shane Bugney. 2. A Generative Approach to Social Ecologies in Project, Symbiose, City. Hao Wen, Pengcheng Jiyu, Yuchao Zhang, Shuai Zhou, and Patrick Schumacher. 3. Using Cycle GAN to achieve the sketch recognition process of sketch-based modeling. Yuxian Li and Weiguo Xu. 4. Exploration on machine learning layout generation of Chinese private garden in southern Yangtze. Yuba Liu, Shenrong Fang, Jie Yang, Xuexin Wang, Zhouhong Zhou, Xiaoming Deng, and Lingyu Liang. 5. Command 2 Vec. Feature learning of 3D modeling behavior sequence, a case study on spiral stair. Wen Gao, Xuanming Zhang, Weixin Huang, and Xiaohang Shi. 6. Exploring in the latent space of design, a method of plausible building facades images generation, properties control and model explanation based on style GAN 2. Shengyu Meng. 7. Punchcard patterns designed with GAN. Virginia Ellen Melnick. 8. Biotile, an intelligent hybrid infrastructure. Sarah Pazeshk. 9. Biodesign intelligence. Anna Zimbarg. 10. A study of biocomputational design in terms of enhancing water absorption by method of bionics within the architectural fields. Gang Mao. Part 2. Simulation, Prediction and Optimization. 11. Environmental data-driven performance-based topological optimization for morphology evolution of artificial Taihu stone. Zi Feng, PGU, M. Zheng, X. Yan, and D.W. Bao. 12. Custom fit and lightweight optimization design of exoskeletons using parametric conformal lattice. Fuyuan Liu, Min Chen, Li Jie Wang, Shang Wang, and Shengheng Lo. 13. APOI-based machine learning method for predicting residences' health status. Shikong Cao and Hao Zheng. 14. Research on epidemic prevention and management measures in university based on GIS and ABM. Taking South China University of Technology, Wushan campus, as an example. Mingxi Chen. 15. Environmentally driven aggregate facade systems. Pablo Cabrera Yauregui. 16. Optimization of daylight and thermal performance of building facade. A case study of office buildings in Nanjing. Hainan Yan, Yiding Zhang, Sheng Liu, Ka Ming Cheng, and Gohua Ji. 17. Integration of algorithm-based optimization into the design process of industrial buildings. A case study. Miriam Conrad, Dana Sees, and Martin Trouts. 18. From separation to incorporation, a full-circle application of computational approaches to performance-based architectural design. Yuhan Chen, Yu Liu, Tianyi Yu, Zhirui Bian, Likai Wang, and Ziyu Tong. Part 3. Interaction and Perception. 19. 4D Soft Material Systems. Julia Grassi, Bjorn Sperman, Ingrid Pauletti, and Skylar Tibbetts. 20. Material Response. Technology, Material Systems and Responsive Design. Marcus Farr, Andrea Macruz, and Alexander Ulson. 21. Diversifying Emotional Experience by Layered Interfaces in Effective Interactive Installations. Sujia Ji Yu, Yu Liu, Yu Wei Kong, Jiali Huang, and Weishan Xu. 22. Measuring Human Perception of Biophilically Driven Design with Facial Microexpressions Analysis and EEG Biosensor. Andrea Macruz, Ernesto Bueno, Gustavo G. Palma, Jamie Vega, Ricardo A. Palmieri, and Tan Chen Wu. 23. Subjectively measured streetscape qualities for Shanghai with large-scale application of computer vision and machine learning. Weishan Xu, Wenjing Li, Xuan Liu, and Xiaokai Huang. 24. From visual behavior to signage design, a wayfinding experiment with eye tracking in satellite terminal of PVG Airport. Chengyu Sun, Shuyang Li, Yinshan Lin, and Weilin Hu. 25. A framework for cipher-physical human-robot collaborative immersive MR interaction, Beaux-Arts 4.0. Rizu Na and Haocheng Dai. Part 4. Materialization and construction. 26. Towards self-shaping metamaterial shells. E. Ozdemir, L. Kieswetter, K. Anterveza, T. Cheng, S. Leder, D. Wood, and A. Menges. 27. Additive manufacture of cellulose-based biomaterial on architectural scale. Yaimeng Wei, Areti Markopoulou, Yuanshuang Zhu, Eduardo Chamorro Martin, and Nicole Kirova. 28. Imprimer Le Lumière, 3D printing bioluminescence for architectural materiality. Met Ramsgaard Thompson, Martin Tamka, Aurelie Moss, Jakob Cedar Semlich, Hane Bradshaw, Emil Fabricius Buchwald, and Maria Mosshammer. 29. Bioscaffolds, N. Alima, R. Snooks, and J. McCormick. 30. Detail, matching digital fabrication and natural-grown resources for the development of resource-efficient structures. Felix Amitsberg, Caitlin Muller, and Felix Raspel. 31. Application of 6D of robot motion planning in fabrication. Hao Wu, Ming Liu, Xin-Jia Zhou, and Philip F. Yuan. 32. Reinventing staircases for thermoplastic additive manufacturing. Mirko Daniluzzo and Michelle Daniluzzo. 33. Joint Descriptive Modeling, JDM, for assembly-aware timber structure design. Ayoub Larchi, Met Ramsgaard Thompson, and Martin Tamka. 34. Process and evaluation of automated robotic fabrication system for in-situ structure confinement. B. Balamurali Kumar, Yun Chung She, Zhouyang Xin, and Dan Luo. 35. Mass customization. The implication on development of aluminum joint. Jiabei Yi and Xiaoxi Guo. Author Index.